What's up, YouTube? This is the turtle tank. This is I think it's a 55-gallon vivarium. I got, as far as wildlife, got a couple things. I got your standard red ear slider hatchling, 6-month-old. And hiding right now are two painter turtles, and they're also, hatchling / yearling. I think they're like probably about 9 months old. That's just a guess. There's a crayfish and a couple of feeder fish, and oh look, there's the crayfish. This is sweet. He's actually coming out. You can see him under this fake rock fall here. He's just peering out. That's where he lives. He made some crazy tunnels up in this land area, so I'll see him up in this direction, and then he'll shoot down, and then he'll pop out over here. And then he's also made tunnels along with another crayfish all the way back here, believe it or not. This is a tank I put together, over time. So just kind of worked on different parts of it, added different things, took away different things. It's constantly changing. There is a spray foam background that I made. It used to be a functional drip wall, but it's hard to keep. The pumps I was using kept failing, so I just took it off. I have a fluval pump filter here, which works really nice and highly recommended, as well as this Exoterra feature, Waterfall creek bed feature, which is really cool, and the turtles love to hang out up on these rocks. Hey look, there's one of them right there. What's up, brother? Really nice looking turtles. Really cool. Love to watch these guys. I did put a few salamanders up here, but I actually haven't seen them in a long time. This is all live plants up here. Some of them are just random like Home Depot plants, and there is these things right here I got at a local pond, and they're just like growing like crazy under a standard heat and UVB lamp. Also, you see I got the LEDs on there too. That looks really cool. Fake log rocks at the bottom, and this is probably my favorite feature. I just added this. I got this fogger on Amazon, and it shipped from China or Japan, one or the other. Took a couple weeks, but it came. I got this at Big Lots. This remote works really good because the thing doesn't have an on-off button, so you have to just go unplug it anytime you want to turn it off and plug it back in when you want to turn it on. That's why I got this thing. And really works really well. I think it was like 10 bucks. So don't go out there and buy that $100 fogger if you have enough water to create your own fog. There he is. What's up, brother? And that's about it. This is my 50-gallon turtle tank. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.